in the vibrant ecosystem of OP Jindal Global University, Jindal Institute of Behavioral Sciences was conceptualized as an idea 10 years back in 2014 to further the cause of behavioral sciences and allied disciplines.
Over the past 10 years, JIBS has come a long way, and we have made a remarkable place for ourselves in the fields of research, capacity building and community outreach, and academics. We at JIBS are all deeply grateful to our Honorable Chancellor, Mr. Naveen Jindal, our esteemed founding Vice Chancellor, Professor Dr. C. Rajkumar, and Professor Dr. Sanjeev P. Sahani, the founder of Jindal Institute of Behavioral Sciences, whose vision and spirit made this entire journey possible.
Over the past decade, JIBS has been a powerhouse in the field of behavioral sciences with a track record of unparalleled achievements. With over 200 scholarly publications, including 122 journal articles, 22 books and 62 book chapters, JIBS has been at the forefront of academic discourse, pushing the boundaries of knowledge and understanding.
Well, being at JIBS has been an absolutely colorful experience. I have spent 2 years here now, and I can say I have gained so much knowledge regarding the subject, whatever I wanted to study. The staff, the faculty, my peers, it's such a wonderful learning environment.
Through grassroots community initiatives and teacher training programs, JIBS has touched the lives of over 250,000 individuals, empowering them with knowledge and skills to create a better tomorrow.
JIBS has been very helpful to us in understanding the learning outcomes and behavior of the students. The young children face lots of problems, which are very easily solved and taken care by the insights provided to us by JIBS. We have been going to JIBS regularly, and JIBS students has been coming to us, and the faculty members also come and visit the school.
Our vibrant global PhD program has already produced 15 successful graduates, with more than 20 scholars currently enrolled in it and poised to drive change and innovation in their respective fields.
As a research scholar at JIBS, I've had the opportunity to delve deep into my research interests, collaborate with esteemed faculty, and contribute to meaningful discoveries that have real-world impact in the world of behavioral sciences.
Over the period of time, JIBS has established 4 research centers. These centers have conducted various workshops, certificate courses, seminars, guest lectures, and various conferences.
I would like to congratulate the JIBS colleagues with their remarkable anniversary and, even more, their magnificent achievement over these last 10 years. You have really established a vision for the future. You have used all professional resources in terms of personnel, in terms of new technologies, publicity channels in the world and other facilities to reach this objective. It's really a great performance.
Through JIBS Infotainment, a digital media initiative to reach out to masses, we have engaged over 6 million viewers and gained 32,000 subscribers. Our in-house documentaries on societal issues like gender-based violence and other psychosocial issues have been recognized and awarded at national and international film festivals.
I always feel very close to OP Jindal and JIBS in particular, so it feels like I am with you in the celebrations today on this momentous occasion, celebrating sure academic excellence, innovation, and various development programs that actually serve to shape the world not only locally but also of relevance elsewhere as well. I'm thinking particularly of the role of victimology, and also we are seeing now JIBS also becoming, as in the case of victimology, a center and a focal point worldwide.
At JIBS, we also offer a diverse range of master's programs aimed at cultivating the future leaders in the field of behavioral sciences. Our cross-elective offerings to the student body in the university are also very popular, with more than 12,000 students opting for these courses during the last decade.
2014 में जब जिब्स के स्थापना की गई, उसी वक्त जिब्स के साथ 5 से 6 लोग जुड़े हुए थे, जबकि आज जिब्स के साथ 40 से ज़्यादा लोग काम कर रहे हैं। पिछला 10 साल से मैं यहाँ सबसे बड़ा बदलाव देखा हूँ, वो है हमारा जिला। शुरुआत साल में जिला में 5 से 6 रिक्रूटमेंट था, जबकि आज 30 से ज़्यादा इंक्रीमेंट है।
For our research, pedagogy and community outreach initiatives, JIPS has been shortlisted for QS Sustainability Award in Education in 2020, QS Enhancing Access and Affordability in Education in 2021, and Times Higher Education Award Asia in 2022 for Teaching and Learning Strategy of the Year.
As we take stock of all the laurels and milestones that JIPS has achieved over the years, we're also deeply committed and motivated to continue working hard and take JIPS to greater heights in the future. As we celebrate our journey of excellence, we invite you to join us in shaping the future of behavioral sciences. Whether you're a prospective student, scholar, or industry partner, JIPS has a wealth of opportunities to offer for growth, collaboration, and innovation. Come be a part of our community, and together let's create a brighter tomorrow.